Hi everyone, I'm Niyati from FinCoctein. Today I'm going to tell you about 5 safe investment options that can give you 7 to 12% kind of returns and can help you save tax too. Now see, we love talking about mutual funds and other long-term investment options that can help you build wealth over time. But अगर सब पैसा risky investments में डाल दिया, तो then if the need comes, then you're going to be kind of stuck. And that level of risk is just not necessary in your portfolio. When you're building your portfolio, it's important to consider these kind of investments, which are obviously not FDs, because FDs are available to everyone. Acha, but one second, let me clarify that when I say safe, nothing is 100% safe, but they're relatively safer and low risk options because they're kind of backed by the government. Before we dive right in, just make sure you watch this video till the end, because not all schemes may be applicable to everyone. Some are good for the short term, some for the medium term, some even for the long term. Some schemes may be applicable to working professionals, some to senior citizens, so you need to figure out which one is the right one for you. First up, National Savings Certificate. ये गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया का इनिशिएटिव है टू एनकरेज सेविंग्स इन हाउस होल्ड. This is a fixed income scheme that you can open with any post office in India. Now see, you can invest as little as 1,000 rupees with a lock-in period of 5 years and a current interest rate of 7.7%. And also this scheme is covered under section 80C, तो आप इसे टैक्स भी बचा सकते हैं. Ideally, अगर आप एक वर्किंग प्रोफेशनल हो और आप ज़्यादा रिस्क लेना नहीं चाहते हो क्योंकि आपकी फैमिली की जिम्मेदारी भी आप पर है, तो आई थिंक दिस इज अ गुड इन्वेस्टमेंट ऑप्शन फॉर यू टू कंसिडर. The only thing to keep in mind is that the interest portion you will receive after 5 years. And that portion of interest will be taxable. Now see, by investing in this option, you can reduce your taxable income by 1.5 lakhs every year as per section 80C. This makes this investment option tax deductible but not tax free. But anyway, keeping all things in mind, this still might be a better option as compared to a tax saving FD for you. Next up, Public Provident Fund या PPF. ये option सबके लिए available है. And if you're a working professional, this might be a great option for you to consider. And I would say everyone should invest in a PPF if possible as soon as they can. See, ये option 80C के अंडर आता है, तो टैक्स तो बचेगा. Now, if you manage to invest 1.5 lakh rupees every year at the current interest rate of 7.1%, तो आपके पास 40 lakhs होगा at maturity, which is 15 years. And I'll tell you the best part. ये जो आपको इंटरेस्ट और मेच्योरिटी अमाउंट आएगा एट द एंड ऑफ द टेन्योर विल बी एंटायरली टैक्स फ्री. सो दिस इन्वेस्टमेंट ऑप्शन इज बोथ टैक्स डिडक्टेबल एंड टैक्स फ्री. अगर आप वर्किंग प्रोफेशनल हो या इफ यू हैव अ चाइल्ड लाइक मी, देन दिस ऑप्शन इज ग्रेट टू कंसिडर. I've already opened a PPF in my child's name and the tax benefit comes under mine or my husband's ITR. And I really do feel that in the next 15 years, we'll manage to accumulate a decent chunk of money that will definitely help with his education expenses. Now I'll give you all a personal example. My parents were investing in a PPF in my name ever since I was born. And when I was going to get married, they had a really large chunky amount that they could use as wedding expense. So whenever you have a big life goal coming up, like a wedding or education expenses, this kind of a lump sum will definitely help. And the reason why we love it is because even though you're given the flexibility of partial withdrawal, it comes at a cost. So they discourage you from touching this money, making it a great source of long-term savings, which should beat inflation. Next, the National Pension Scheme. Now अभी तक whichever options we've spoken about have been fixed income options जिसमें interest rate fixed होता है. But ये option उन लोगों के लिए है जिनके पास longer term investment horizon हो और जो थोड़ा रिस्क लेने के लिए willing हो. This is a voluntary and a long-term investment plan for retirement under the purview of the PFRDA and the central government. Basically, ये आपके लिए एक optional pension plan है, बिकॉज सबके पास तो गवर्नमेंट जॉब विद अ पेंशन तो नहीं है ना. इस इन्वेस्टमेंट ऑप्शन के थ्रू आप मल्टीपल एसेट क्लासेस में इन्वेस्ट कर सकते हो. योर इन्वेस्टमेंट इन द NPS goes towards equity, corporate debt, government securities and even alternate investments. But the key here is that the allocation towards different asset classes depends on your age. But the maximum cap for equity investment is 75%. The NPS has been in effect since over a decade and has managed to give you a return between 9 and 12%. If you're unhappy with your fund manager, you're even allowed the option to change the fund manager. Investment in the NPS is not only deductible under section 80C up to 1.5 lakhs, but there is an additional deduction of 50,000 available. So salaried individuals can really take advantage of this option. You can officially exit the NPS at the age of 60. When it comes to withdrawal, there is a 60-40 split where you can get 60% of your withdrawal upfront and the balance 40% gets converted into an annuity which acts as a voluntary pension and gives you a certain amount every year. This option is not obviously very straightforward, so if you want more details on this, leave us a comment and we'll make another video. Next, the Senior Citizen Savings Scheme. Now this option only says that this scheme is meant for senior citizens, that is people above the age of 60. This scheme is a great option if you're looking to create a regular source of income at that age with the highest safety and tax saving benefits. The interest rate is fixed and quite high at 8.2% every year, which is paid out quarterly with a maximum tenure of 5 years. This investment is also tax deductible under Section 80C. You can only invest once per account for a senior citizen savings scheme. Now this investment can be anywhere from 1000 rupees to a maximum of 30 lakhs, and any investment made under 1 lakh rupees can also be done in cash. Individuals can open more than one SCSS account, and it can be for themselves or with their spouse as a joint holder. So consider this investment for the senior citizens in your family. Last but not the least, the post office time deposit. Now, if you want to invest for the short or medium term with a fixed return on your investment, then this is your best option. There are 4 possible tenures for this scheme: 1, 2, 3 and 5 years. The minimum investment per account is 1000 rupees and the interest rate is calculated quarterly but is payable on an annual basis. The current interest rates are on your screen. This investment option is also covered under Section 80C, but only if your deposits are held for 5 years. So there we are. There are also some other options available, like the Sukanya Samriddhi Yojana, which is applicable only towards female children. But we're going to make a separate video on that to give you all more details. So don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel, and we'll see you in the next one.